A very good morning, dear students. I hope that you all are well. You are studying regularly at the home. Today we will be starting the new chapter of your final term, that is chapter number 10, measurement. There are different standard units to measure the length, mass and capacity. In today's class we will be studying the standard unit of measurement of length. It is meter. The length we used to measure by meter. But is it possible to measure the length by meter? No, because certain quantities they are very large that we can't measure it by meter, and certain quantities they are very small that we can't measure it by meter. So here I have written some of the standard quantities of the measurement. Here the prefix meter is added to all of them. This is kilometer, km, hectometer, hm, decameter, dam, meter, decimeter, dm, centimeter and millimeter. Now kilometer, it is the largest quantity. If we want to convert the kilometer into hectometer, this is the larger one. This kilometer, here is the larger quantity and here is the smaller. So whenever we convert a larger quantity into a smaller one, we used to multiply 10. Suppose I want to convert kilometer into hectometer, then I will be multiplying 10. If I want to convert hectometer into decameter, then again I have to multiply it with the 10. If I want to convert decameter into meter, again I will be multiplying 10. Meter into decimeter, I have to multiply it with 10. Decimeter into centimeter, I will be multiplying this with the 10. And centimeter with millimeter, I will be multiplying it with the 10. So kilometer, it is the larger quantity and millimeter, it is the smaller quantity. How I will be converting it into another quantity? By multiplying it again and again by 10. If I want to convert millimeter into centimeter, decimeter, meter, decameter, hectometer or kilometer, what I will be doing? I will be dividing this again and again by 10. In order to convert the smaller quantity into the larger quantity, we have to divide the number. Now let us do a few problems so that you will be able to understand that. Now first of all, we will be converting a higher unit to a lower unit. How to convert a higher unit into a lower unit? So here first of all I will be writing this. You could use this. Kilometer, it is the largest, then hectometer, then decameter, then meter, then decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. This we will be using in order to do our problem. So first of all we have to convert higher unit into lower unit. Suppose there is a question in that you have to convert higher unit into lower unit. What we have to do? We have to convert the higher unit into the lower unit. Let me write the question. 46, I am writing 46 hm. 46 hm, it means 46 hectometer. This you have to convert this hectometer into decimeter. So how I will be converting it? 46 hectometer, we have to convert it into decimeter. So this is the larger, we have to convert this larger into the smaller one. So 46 multiplied by 10, then it is converted into decimeter. What will be the answer? It will be 460 decimeter. So again I am explaining it. 46 hectometer, I have to convert it into the decimeter. Now look at here, decimeter is one step to the right of the hectometer, so we will be multiplying 10. Next question, 12 kilometer. 12 kilometer. Kilometer is here, 12 kilometer. I have to convert it into the decimeter. 12 kilometer, I have to convert it into decimeter. So, first of all, I will be multiplying 10. It will be converted into hectometer. Then again, I will be multiplying it with the 10. So, 12 multiplied by 10, multiplied by 10. Then it is converted into decimeter. 1200 decimeter. Now again I am explaining here kilometer. This kilometer I want to convert it into the decimeter. So see here decimeter, it is 2 steps. It is 2 steps right from the kilometer. So we will multiply 2 times 10. 1 time 10, then 2 times 10. So it is then converted into the decimeter. Now the next it is 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. This 4 centimeter I have to convert this centimeter into millimeter. Here is the centimeter. I have to convert it into millimeter. So I will be multiplying only 1 time 10. 4 multiplied by 10. Now it is converted into millimeter. It is 40 millimeter. So like this you have to do. Now if we want to convert the lower unit into higher unit, then how we will be doing it? Here what we have to do? We have to convert lower. Here we have to convert the lower unit into higher unit. Now how to convert the lower unit into the higher unit? Let me write our problem. 800 decimeter. 800, it is 800 decameter. This 800 decameter, this is decameter. I have to convert 800 decameter into kilometer. So how I will be converting it? See the decameter, it is 2 steps away. So I will be dividing. Whenever you move in this direction, see here the kilometer. Kilometer is 2 steps to the left. Kilometer is 2 steps to the left of the decimeter. So we will be dividing it with the 100 because it is 2 steps away. So 1 time and then 2 times. So I will be dividing this with the 100. So when I divide this with the 100 in the decimals, it is 800. So this 0 and 0 get cancelled and it is 8 kilometer. That is to another problem. 60 millimeter. You have to convert 60 millimeter. Here is millimeter. Convert this into centimeter. So we have to divide this with the 10. 60. We will be dividing this with the 10. This 0 and 0 got cancelled and it is 6 centimeter. Let us do some more problems. (95 hectometer). 95 hectometer. We have to convert this hectometer into kilometer. So this hectometer, it is only 1 step away from the kilometer. So we will be dividing it with the 10. So it will be 9.5 kilometer. Let us do another question. 180 centimeter. 180 centimeter, we have to convert 180 centimeter into meter. So I have to divide it 2 times, 1 and 2. So I will be writing 2 times 0, this 0 and 0 got cancelled, and it would be 1.8 1.8 meter. So in this way we used to convert the lower unit into higher unit. Whenever we are converting the lower unit to the higher unit, we used to divide, and when we are converting the higher unit to the lower unit, then we used to multiply. So that's all for today's class. Have a nice day.